What's up, guys? I'm at SHOT Show. I'm at FAB-Defense. You guys know I love these guys. I'm back again with Itai. What's up, man? Introduce yourself to the world and tell us what you got.
How you doing? So, Itai from FAB-Defense in Israel. Today we're going to look at two products that were introduced now at SHOT Show 2019. Let's talk about this one, the first one. So this is the Scout SL. You guys remember we introduced the Scout last year? This year we're introducing the SL Slingshot. So this is a version with a brace. Let's see what's unique about this version. First of all, as all Scouts, this one has a hybrid construction. So we have an aluminum upper, polymer lower. Aluminum is milled from one piece. So you can see that the pick rail is integrated into that upper.
Oh, nice.
Gives us rigidity, strength, and stability. This construction enables us to maintain zero when taking the handgun out and, from the unit. I want to show how this is being assembled. Again, this will fit a Glock 17, 19, 19X, 22, 23, the new G45. All of these models, generation 3, 4, and 5, all of them will fit into one unit. All I have to do, in this case, a Glock 17 Gen 3.
And I can see that there's no modifications to the gun, right?
Nothing whatsoever, that's correct. I don't have to do anything as long as it's a Gen 3, 4, or 5. Take the handgun in. That's it. I'm good to go.
Easy, yeah.
Nothing else to do. So I have here a safety. I have here, in this case, a backup sights and our brace. Let's look at the brace. Unlike other cases where you have to strap something to your forearm, in this case, it just
look at that.
Captures my forearm.
Nice.
I have here a strap where I can, with Velcro, I can just customize this to the size of my forearm.
So you don't have to put your hand through it. That's beautiful.
No.
Yeah, nice.
I'm just lowering
boom, you're right there.
That's it. And when I'm getting proper sight alignment, you can see how this supports.
That's smart. You don't have to put your hand through. I like it.
That is correct.
It's very fast to deploy, yeah.
Yes, that is true. So this is our Scout SL, pending approval as a non-NFA item.
I like that one a lot, yeah.
Will be available, of course, in 4 different color variations, just like the regular Scout. So we have here the OD green and black. It's going to be a black and black, a black FDE, and black dark gray.
Nice, I like it.
All of them will include the forward grip.
Oh, that's included. Nice.
Of course, the sling, a bungee sling. The advanced version will include those backup sights and a special backpack that I'm going to show you.
Oh, let's go see
in
it.
a second. So, another accessory we're showing now at the show is the complete Scout package. So, if we're looking at the Scout, both the Scout and the Scout SL, when they come in their advanced version, they will have backup sights and this. So this is a backpack we created specifically for the Scout. It enables you to carry the system comfortably in a discreet manner.
Yeah, I like that it doesn't look tactical. It just looks like a normal bag.
We wanted to make something civilian looking. I have here secondary compartment, place for my wallet, keys, whatever I need. Extra 4 magazines, 2 more magazines, or a multi-tool, whatever you want to put here. So basically I can have up to 6 magazines here, plus my everyday equipment, my phone, and my Scout. Everything.
Just like you're going to work or whatever, no one knows.
Yep.
Yeah.
So people who are talking to us, they say they love this platform, but how can I carry this every day? This is how he can. And
he pulled that out of the bag slowly, and that was still fast for pulling it out slowly. I'm sure you can do it even faster, right?
Yes, I can.
Yeah, very cool. So, how much should guys expect to spend on the backpack?
That's good. Actually, same price as last year, so we're talking about a complete package, which is the Scout, backup sight, and the backpack. we're looking at a street price of around $399.
Oh, nice. That's not bad at all. Yeah,
That
yeah.
includes, of course, the bungee and the thumb rest and everything that you saw in this package.
Awesome.
So last year, remember we introduced this.
Yes.
This is our GL Core buttstock. It's an excellent buttstock, but we were approached by one of Israel's, the best CT unit in Israel, counter-terrorist unit in Israel, one of the best in the world. They approached it and said that they loved the stock, but it was too big for their new plate carrier. They wanted something smaller. We thought about it, and when we said yes, this was created according to their specific instructions. We've got here a shorter stock, lighter.
Nice.
We still have those tacky rubberized butt pad, all going all the way around, so you can do those.
You can roll it up.
Roll it up,
Nice.
yeah. We still got the integrated cheek welds here that were optimized for the M4 platform. We still have those spacers that enable you to really fit this into a commercial spec tube or a MIL-STD tube. You just replace the spacers and you're good to go.
I like that. I did a review on the one you sent me already. Yeah, I really like that feature. Yeah, that's awesome.
These are the same features. Again, 2 Duke QD mounts. This one only smaller, more compact.
I like
Ready
it.
to rock and roll.
And then
in this case.
obviously the colors are going to be the standard colors that you guys
Yeah,
normally
we
do?
did this dark gray one, kind of experimenting with this color also. We'll see. But for now, the colors are black, OD, and FD.
Yeah, the popular ones. Yeah, gotcha.
Sure.
Cool. Awesome. All right, well, let's do it like we normally do. We'll end this with a website.
FAB-Defense.com, FAB-Defense.com, or FAB-DefenseUS.com.
And I also noticed too, you guys are really big on your Instagram as well. Yeah.
That is correct, sir.
I've been seeing a lot of
FAB-Defense,
stuff.
one word. Check us out on Instagram.
There you go, guys. Pretty cool stuff, right? They never fail to deliver awesome gear coming out of Israel. Check them out. Thanks a lot, Itai.